To turn on overdraft on Cash App, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon or your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings and options. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the support option. This will open a new page with a list of frequently asked questions and other support topics. From here, type overdraft in the search bar to find the overdraft option. After searching for overdraft, select the Enable Overdraft option from the search results. This will take you to a new page where you can learn more about the overdraft feature and its requirements. To be eligible for overdraft, you must have an active Cash App account, a Cash App debit card, and a consistent direct deposit history. If you meet the requirements, select the Enable Overdraft option to turn it on. You will then be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the overdraft feature. Carefully read through the terms and conditions to understand the fees and limits associated with overdraft. Once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, your overdraft will be enabled, and you can use it to cover transactions that exceed your available balance. Keep in mind that overdrafts are subject to a fee, and you will be required to repay the overdraft amount as soon as possible. To use Cash App Overdraft, simply make a transaction that exceeds your available balance. If you have enabled overdraft, Cash App will automatically cover the transaction using your overdraft limit. You will then receive a notification reminding you to repay the overdraft amount. It is essential to use overdraft responsibly and only when necessary. Make sure to repay the overdraft amount as soon as possible to avoid additional fees and interest. By following these steps and using overdraft responsibly, you can take advantage of the Cash App Overdraft feature and enjoy greater flexibility with your finances.